A Roman Racing. What's up, guys? I hope there is enough light in this garage, but it's kind of late, so I'm losing a little bit of light, so I'm gonna try to make this quick. Okay, so as you guys see behind me, I have a humongous wing. So I do enjoy my wing. Some people do try to roast me with a humongous wing, but there's a problem with me for competition at GridLife and at Global Time Attack. So at GridLife, I'm running at Street Mod, and Global Time Attack, I'm running at Street Class. So, but one of the regulations for the wing is that the wing cannot pass the highest point of the roofline. So right now my wing is like 2 inches above the roofline, so I went ahead and I bought actual shorter stands. If you guys do not know what wing I do have, that means you guys are not a follower or a subscriber. So the wing that I have here is a Battle Aero, is the Force 3 GT with tall stands. The width is 70 inches, so the STI is basically 71 inches from like the fenders. Is 71 inches. Regulations also is like I cannot pass the width of the car, so 70 inches I am good to go. And this is the tall stand, and this is basically the short stand, so there you have is like 6 inches smaller. So what I gotta do now is I gotta take this off. I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to use the cables. I'm gonna leave them off for a little bit and see if it wobbles. If it doesn't wobble, I'll just I don't know, I'll just keep the cables, because it's better to have a little bit more stiffness in the wing than that. And then after I do this sometime, not today because the car is still on jack stands, there's still some work to do on the car, and I still gotta deal with the tires. I'm gonna do a wing test, because I don't want to be an aggressive angle, and I don't want to be having too much drag, so I need this wing to be perfect for when I go over 100 miles an hour. So right now, let's do this really quick. I'm just gonna take this off and put the new ones on. Okay, so the wing is installed. It on camera it kind of still looks kind of big. This is my little problem right here. So this is completely the shortest, and I still got some slack. This one is not as strong as it is, but that one only will hold the whole wing, and there's no movement at all, just the whole, you can see the trunk is actually moving with the wing. So I try to put it in set it in a way that it kind of looks kind of more straight. This part lifts up, but this part is the wing is more straight. And as you guys can see, that is the roof line, and it's a little shorter. So overall, that's good. I am not above the roof line, so I am good for street mod or street. And right there, unless I go all the way up here, you can see the wing. So right there, I'm looking straight at the roof line, and you can't really see it. So now I gotta figure it out a way to either, I'm gonna take off the cables, or I can run one to be kind of stable, and then take that one off, because you know, I will have to do a new cable, cut that one. I gotta find the thing to clamp it up, and get the heat shrink, heat shrink, whatever you call it. But anyways, it's completely dark outside already. There's a bird that is bothering the crap out of me, doesn't want to shut up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I will gonna be doing a little like a test. I'm gonna be taping up some yarn on it. I'm gonna put the camera on the back, drive it around, see what the yarn does. If the yarn does this, that means I gotta switch it a little bit. If the yarn goes nice and straight, that means it's complete, the airflow is nice and straight. So yeah, I hopefully with this angle it doesn't create too much drag. So if you look at most of the race cars, the angle of the wing is pretty much straight. It's not downforce. It's not an aggressive angle. It's good. Aggressive angle is good for autocross when you don't go too high of a speed, but when you go over 100 miles an hour, aggressive angle can create a lot of drag, and I've had that problem of going 130 miles an hour, and for the life of the car, it doesn't want to go higher than that. So, and I can feel that there's a lot of drag. So that's going to be something in the next 3 weeks, hopefully, if I have time to test it. 3 more weeks I got for GridLife, so, or less than 3 weeks. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will come for some more videos. Just stay tuned for more videos. I got a bunch of stuff that I still got to do. Just stay tuned. If you're not a subscriber, just subscribe and just give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hey, Roman Racing.